What's up, guys? Good morning.
Hello.
Hope you are doing great. So today we have come to explore a hidden gem in Kharghar. It's called the Ove Dam.
Again, we are back to Kharghar.
Yeah. So if you guys remember, I don't know if you have seen the Kharghar Hills trek video. In that video, I had shown you the Ove Dam. I guess the few months back in September when I had done the Kharghar Hills trek, that time I had shown you the Ove Dam from the top of the Kharghar Hills. That's the Kharghar Hills trek that I had done. So that time I had shown you the Ove Dam from up above there. I had mentioned that I would be making a separate vlog on that. So today is the day where we are going to go to Ove Dam. From the past 2 days, the weather is pretty nice. So I think it's going to be pleasant the entire day. But let's see, as the sun rises, we don't know how the heat is going to be. But for now, it's very nice. So we are going to start the hike and we'll keep you updated on how this hike is going to be and see the cinematic shots and enjoy.
हो गया सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स लेके.
हाँ हाँ नहीं चालू है
रास्ता थोड़ा खराब है ना.
Finally the sun has started to rise. Now after coming over here, there are two routes that goes. You need to take the left one and just start walking on this trail. ये क्या काम चालू है भाई यहाँ पे? कुछ माउंटेन को तोड़ रहे हैं क्या? There is some kind of mountain work that is
कंस्ट्रक्शन.
there's some kind of construction work that is going on. That's why there is some noise of some machineries. Now going ahead, there are two paths which one goes to the left, which is near this construction area, and the second one to the right. So you need to take the second one which goes to the right and walk on this path. Finally, for walking for around 30 minutes, we have reached this calm and a very peaceful place, which is the Ove Dam Lake. I'll just show you. So this is the place. Even though this is not a big lake kind of a place, but it's quite peaceful with no people around. It's less crowded, and the wind is also pleasant. It's not too harsh on you, and it is peaceful. So we'll enjoy some time over here. We'll take some cinematic shots. You can enjoy those cinematic shots which would be coming up next. So we sat at this location and enjoyed the entire view over here for a good amount of time. Now we are going to go to that location and we'll see what's the view from over there. So let's go. We were at that place. You can move either side of the lake, so there's a path that goes from there and covers the entire side of that lake, and then there's one more path that comes through this trail, so you can have a different view from different parts of this lake. So this is the dam. So basically during the monsoon season, water must be overflowing from over here and flowing through these rocks. But right now, as this is November, the water has subsided and is less. And this is the view from the other side of the lake. So we were sitting right at that location. Personally, I liked the other view. So basically the reflection from that place was much better. So yeah, this is it. We are done with this place and we would be heading home right now. So before that, we thought we'll share our experience with you all visiting this place. So basically it's a easy morning routine where you can walk for around 15-20 minutes and you can reach this place. And
I think in a weekday, y'all should plan this, hike, and it's very peaceful in the weekday.
so we don't know about the weekends, but in the weekday it's it's less crowded, and this place offers a lot of calmness and yeah,
very peaceful.
yeah, it's a very peaceful place. And don't expect it to be like a Chandradal or a Pangong kind of a lake. It's not that amazing, but for a morning routine you can just walk for around 15 minutes and you can reach this place, and it feels very good over here.
Yeah. So
And
for people, nearby Kharghar, Navi Mumbai side, it would be a really good morning routine.
yeah,
kind of,
anyone can come to this place because it's a very easy hike. And also we think in the monsoons maybe the beauty of
even
this,
more
yeah,
green.
yeah, it would be more greenery and the beauty must be
There would
more,
be much more water in the dam.
yeah, and it would be greenery all around, so aur acha lagta rahega. That's what. So let us know if you guys have come here in the monsoon season. We would like to know how it was in the monsoon season. We would come maybe next year during the monsoons maybe.
Yeah, pretty near to Mumbai, so you can just come by train or auto or anything. And those
Yeah.
who are in Navi Mumbai, for them,
It's
so
really,
like, it's near the Central Park. Also.
yeah, yeah. It's
So,
really amazing to see such beautiful places near Mumbai,
near
na?
Mumbai, and especially near Navi Mumbai. Kharghar is like a very
Yeah,
favorite spot of
yeah,
ours.
such hidden gems over here.
Yeah, seriously.
So I guess we'll end the video over here. We are heading home right now. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and please comment, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.